Have you ever changed private to protected just to make your subclass compile, without really knowing why? Let's fix that. The private modifier means only the declaring class can access that member. Subclasses cannot touch it, and neither can external code. TypeScript enforces this at compile time. You'll get an error the moment you try to reach a private member from a child class. Protected relaxes that restriction in exactly one way. Subclasses can now access the member too. The parent class and all its descendants share access, but anyone outside the hierarchy still cannot. It's private to the world, but open to the family. Here's how they compare. Both private and protected block external access. That part is the same. The difference is inheritance. Private creates a hard wall between parent and child, so even a subclass cannot reach it. Protected is the bridge that lets your class hierarchy share internal state without exposing it publicly. 2 quick notes. TypeScript's private is compile time only. JavaScript's hash prefix syntax gives actual runtime privacy. And practically, default to private and upgrade to protected only when you're explicitly designing a base class for extension. In Java, by the way, protected also grants same package access. Private locks access to the declaring class only. Protected extends that to the entire class hierarchy, in interviews, and in production. Choose based on whether you're designing for inheritance. Like and follow for more TypeScript interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.